Okay, I have all these lawsuits or whatnot, but the judge wants me to do a consent form for all parties, is what this says right here. So, in order for him to accept my case and to grant and file my case, he wants me to have the people who I have the lawsuit against sign it, knowing they're all against me because of serious offenses, and they know people's out to kill me or whatnot. And the banks is stealing my money and stuff like that, deposits missing and stuff like that, stealing money, trafficking out of my account and stuff that I deposit through virtue or whatnot, stealing my money basically. And I even put something there physically and stuff like that, and they steal it or whatnot. But anyway, this is what this order says right here. This is Allen. This is of a hospital, Clark Memorial. I told him that hell door makes it hard for me to say no when other people, as they charged me with common nuisance, and people was bombarding and vandalizing my stuff. Fortunately, I went into my house because I was on the medication and I couldn't say no or whatnot because they outpowered me, they outranked me spiritually because the hell door, my system altered my thinking or not. Then I got one against the Live Springs Mental Health or whatnot, too. That's what that one is. And then I got one against the Social Security. This is one against the Social Security. Then I got one against Catalyst Rescue Mission. This is a homeless shelter. All these people violate my rights, and he wants me to get it. And I got one against Facebook. As you know, I would post this on Facebook, but I'm suspended because I showed a woman posing where somebody sent me that picture, and people can post all they want to. She had on her clothes and everything. They say because it was a sex pose or something, which there's all sorts of sex pose on her that they did not suspend people. Then I got one against the Internal Revenue. I haven't got my taxes yet. They haven't given me any information or data. It's been over 18 weeks. I was the first person to file my taxes too, and I still didn't get it. I had to mail it because they wouldn't take my electronic deposit, so I mailed it. But I mailed it weeks after I couldn't electronically file it. So it's been over 18 weeks. I whatnot. Then here's another one right here. This is against the Internal Revenue about there. And what's the judge's name? What's the judge's name? I forget the judge's name or whatnot. I don't think it's on here, but they put an order on it. And they got the cause number on here. You can look at the cause numbers or whatnot on each one of them, and you'll see the judge or whatnot. That's that one. That's that one. That's that one. That's the cause number. But the U.S. District Court. Then they got the representative. That's another one. And that's the last one. I got more lawsuits than that. I got over 12 lawsuits or whatnot. You can look at my public record and you'll see people have been violating me. He wants me to go and get them to do this. They're not going to get an attorney because the attorney's not going to work the case, and I already work my own case. They know I'm paralegal and whatnot. But then we got this guy here, the state representative of Indiana. Look, new laws. That's what helped the judge to do with he did these new laws that he made or whatnot. This Ed Clary, in which I own the state because I have the statute of limitation. Yeah, I have the statute of limitation, so he can't pass law without me my approval, even with Congress, because I own the state. Even though they don't, and my suit is still filed, so it's in the system. So even if they don't pay me or not, I still own the state regardless of what they do if they don't pay me or not.